All Kanon machines are pneumatic or air type that propel the ball with pressurized air. Correct airflow is critical for proper operation. A simple device located at the bottom front of the machine is provided to adjust the airflow to the correct amount so that balls are delivered regularly and evenly. Too much or too little airflow will cause balls to either jam in the ball feed rotor or not be ejected at all. Hard dimple balls tend to require more airflow and slaz balls or regular tennis balls less. Under some circumstances, one setting may be suitable for satisfactory operation for both types of ball. If not, the use of a mixture of different balls at one session is not recommended. Some factors that have an effect on the airflow are as follows: the electrical supply voltage at your location, the length and the gauge of any extension cable used, the condition of cable connectors, and lastly the height above sea level of your location. When setting up the Kanon for the first time, carry out this simple test. If your machine is being used at a different location from time to time, or with other cables, it may be necessary to adjust from the original settings. It would be useful to note the satisfactory settings under the different circumstances. Remove all the red cap plugs from the ball feed rotor. Load a few balls of the type intended for use into the hopper. Switch on the machine and allow balls to feed. Check if the balls are passing through the machine regularly and evenly. If the balls are irregular or uneven, carefully observe if the balls are hovering at the entrance to the pressure chamber and thus unable to drop in. If so, this could mean there is too much airflow and the slide adjuster needs to be moved to the right. If the balls are entering the pressure chamber but are not being ejected, there is too little airflow and the slide adjuster needs to be moved to the left. Adjustments should be made in small increments. Once operating satisfactorily, load more balls to double check the setting.